Last time I sleep in a charm bed. Then going home to the daddy. Then I sleep. Then one and then up in the one and after this. Final day. Vacation. Going home today. That little car and ET. We are leaving, guys. We are heading to the train station, but first we are going to stop to get something to eat. Jamal, you want to enjoy yourself one last time before you leave? Come, we're going to look something to eat. Come. So, I'll be satisfying my cravings in 2 minutes. We have been searching for Pizza Hut since last night. We finally found Pizza Hut. So I'm going to satisfy my cravings now. I'm going to have lunch at Pizza Hut. Whoop! Before we leave. We see the list there right there, so. Ta-da! Pizza Hut! Pizza Hut! Ta-da! Where have you been since Sunday? Pizza Hut. Where have you been since yesterday? And when we did it yesterday, we did close to it, you know. But because this city is so big, I didn't have any GPS. No, I didn't have any battery. But let me finally find it. So the food has finally come. Pizza Hut, our medium-sized pizza. This is a little bit. Jesus. And pizza cruel. Open this one.
Yes, please.
This is pepperoni.
Hello.
Pardon. Mais attends. This one is Hawaiian. And this is Hawaiian. Maya, you happy? You happy? I'm crazy. C'est bon, Maya? You like it? You want more, Jamal? Chin. Chin. You want more? Yes, girl. And she bought, she not like, she not eat pineapple, she not eat cooked pineapple.
Je prends.
Well, we find, but him love pizza today, like him, madam. I buy 3, but I shouldn't buy 3, I buy 2. Tell me one day. Thank you, Mom.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
buy souvenir if you carry home. Maya come beside me. Souvenir if you carry back home. And now we're at the tram stop, waiting on our tram, the last tram before we head back home.
Maman, je te dis ma technique. En fait,
Oui.
ça tu fais ça, ça tu
Oui.
fais un par un.
So, just a couple of hours. 1.5 hours we have a train, so I'll catch you guys in the train or at the train station. Daddy, go. Push. Push.
Valid?
You might push.
Push it in. This don't work. With Maya.
Allez, Maya, toi.
Yeah.
Now you keep that one, you hear?
Then can't just look at it down to.
Last tram ride before going home. Hold on to my suitcase, Maya. We can go in at the door here. Yeah. Last tram ride before we go home, home sweet home. We're now sitting in the train, waiting on the train to leave. Reach to the reach to the train station 1 hour early, so now we're in the train and it's half an hour before the train ready to leave. So I prefer early than late. And people, I was so stressed because we trip going back. I didn't want to miss my train. I didn't want to end up took the wrong train. So I'm on the train trying to catch a breath now because we have been running. Even though we're early, but knowing me, you know I'm late and worse me I'm going back to my family. I'm super excited. Here's Moy and Maya. Say hello to Maya. Did you enjoy your vacation? Did you enjoy your vacation? Yes or no?
Depuis tout à l'heure, moi je lui dis que j'ai le mal du transport et lui il me croit pas.
Mais c'est pas grave.
Ça va, je te crois.
C'est pas grave, Maya, c'est pas grave.
Regarde, c'est beau.
So, Anson, did you enjoy your vacation?
Yeah. Nah. À Nice?
Alright, your daddy just sent me a message and going to come and pick us up soon. So in about 3.5 hours, you guys will see your daddy.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't. forget you. You're all I know,
Find it?
what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would. I would.
Nice girl.
I would.
You find it? Merci, t'as. Maya, est-ce que t'as trouvé ou pas?
D-A-R A-S-O-L.
Très bien, Jabarin. Next word.
V
Vêtement.
vêtements. Et l'accent.
We made it, we made it, we made it back to our place. We made it, guys. We're at the train station waiting to meet Matthew. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Jimmy. It's so good. It feels so good to be back, to be back, to be back, to be back. Good to be back. Feels so good to be back. Feels so good to be back. I'm so happy to be back in this type of environment. Lots of green, 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 green around. No apartment buildings, no building overall. Just green, green, green. And houses. No apartment building.
Say what you wanna say to me